Okay, we're doing quite a bit of things. We're using a double pointer array, and we're also using the rule of 3, and we're going to be managing T. So we're doing quite a bit of things. Okay, so in this header file, we defined quick Q. And we made sure that the private data was a double pointer over here. It's a double pointer so that it can hold all of the copies of the elements. So then we have our constructor. I'm just gonna initialize it to null pointer to make sure our data is like empty and stuff. And then we also have a deconstructor. So it's going to go through and delete each item, and then it just deletes the entire array itself. We also have some deep copy constructor assignment operator that completes our rule of 3 in the queue, so that we can make sure that everything is copied and assigned as needed, like shifting things, moving things as needed. And then we're also gonna have, up here as needed. And then we're also gonna have our new dynamic array, and we're gonna add our new dynamic like elements to the end of our pre-existing array. So we're gonna add our new elements to the old array. And then we're going to remove the front element, move everything over, delete like whatever was in there before, and then we gotta return all of that back. So this is like our return front. We gotta return all that back. And front is gonna be our little tracker there. And size is gonna make sure that we're shifting everything over according to what's being stored, the elements that are like that take up space and stuff. And then for our main CPP, we just tested it with int and string, and NQ has 5 items, and then DQ, it just shows that like both of the types can work. So this is what we have here. 5 is our limit here, and it just prints both. So we have int and string and everything over here. And let's see, what was the hardest part of this? The hardest part has to be like managing the memory, managing the arrays, so like resizing and copying while still managing the size of it was pretty difficult. Shifting things without like messing everything up or like overwriting any of the elements definitely was difficult too, especially with double pointers. And that's it. Thank you.